Hi everyone, my name is Suzanne and I get to work for the Cobb County Public Library System, and today we're at my home branch, the West Cobb Regional Library, and you have clicked into School Age Imagination Kits. Now we're going to be making snowflakes, but not just any ordinary snowflakes. We're going to make a snowflake made out of your name. And everything we're using here are common household items that you could do just with what you have around the house. Coffee filters, maybe some colored paper, and if you're going to color yours, like I did mine, you'll need your own markers. They need to be the washable markers. And scissors. Depending on what your cutting skills are, either of these types of scissors will work. And so you'll get a variety of things that you can use to make your own name snowflake. And I would love to see what yours looks like. So if you want to, you can send it to me at this email address right here and show me what yours looks like. You can use lots of different things to make your name snowflake. This would be the easiest. It's a coffee filter and it's already round and it's very thin, so it's easier to cut. Or you can use colored copy paper or just white copy paper. So that's not as thin and it's a little bit more difficult, but you can get different colors. So once you have your circle, you need to fold it in half. And then you need to fold it in half again. And then one more time. And there you go. So you have one end where it's just a fold and the other end that has different loose parts, different loose folds. So this is the way you want to start. And you can do your whole name if you want, but I think it's a lot easier if you use 3 letters. First name, middle name, and last name. Your letters need to touch the top part and touch the bottom part, and the letters need to touch each other. All right, I'll show you what I mean. So I'm gonna make an S, and I would suggest using a pencil because I come in and I change mine. So there's my S. It touches the top and it touches the bottom. Now my middle initial is M, so I think I'm gonna bring this out longer. And I'm gonna make my M come down and it's going to touch my other letter, my S. And it's gonna touch the top and the bottom. I've made a few of these, so I've got some practice in on this. So don't feel bad if you need to redo yours. Now my last letter would be B, so that's easy. It's going to touch this letter here. So now I'm ready to cut my name. So how will I cut this middle out? What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half. So there's that one. That's okay. Here. That's perfectly imperfect. Now let's open it up. Isn't that pretty? Use the washable markers. You can see the colors are starting to bleed. Isn't that pretty? So I hope you have a good December and enjoy the winter. Oh, which starts on December 21st. That's the winter solstice. That is the shortest day of the year. So, until next time, go outside, have fun, and try something different.